Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm going to be trying Carbonara Buldak from Samyang. In the past I have done Buldak. In fact, in the last ramen video I actually pulled out their 3 times spicy, and thankfully I can already tell that this is spicy because it says spicy in a clear place on the packaging and not obscured among a number of languages, faded next to a larger, more impressive image. So yeah, good on you guys, Samyang, for actually knowing how to properly communicate that something you have is spicy. Now, again, I've had Buldak before, but I'm not sure what carbonara is. I hear it a lot. Usually with pasta. This is a sort of pasta. I mean, I suppose we'll find out what it is. Sorry, I saw some mushrooms on the packaging. But looking at the ingredient list, it doesn't look like there are any mushrooms that are actually in this. It's likely that the mushrooms were just added as, you know, a garnish, a serving suggestion, as they sometimes do. And even the warnings only indicate that you need to be aware of the fact that it's got wheat, soy, and milk. So, all right. It is also manufactured in a facility that also processes eggs, fish, crustacean, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, and sesame. If you've got allergies, be sure to check the ingredient lists for any sort of warnings. This is just a general safety tip. Also, apparently this could give me cancer. It's got a cancer and reproductive harm warning, but only in California. I'm pretty sure that's not how science works, but it wouldn't be the first time I've had something that could potentially give me cancer within the past year even. Anyway, let's get to this in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Take a look at it. It looks a bit thicker than ramen normally does, although I guess at this point I'm not sure if it's ramen, because one thing I definitely noticed was that the noodles are thick. These are some thick noodles, for sure. Also, it's got like a cheese sauce in addition to the regular sauce. It still smells a titch spicy, but I am certainly looking forward to seeing how it tastes. Ooh. Whoa! That's some heat. It's got a cheesy heat to it. Oh. Oh. That's hot. That is the kind of hot you can expect from Buldak. It is not shy about being spicy. Oh, it's gonna make my stomach feel all sorts of weird for a while until I get something other than this in here. It's that kind of spicy. It's good. It's good. It's got a bit of a cheesy taste to it. It's definitely creamy. I am pretty impressed with this. I wouldn't have it very often, but this is something that I feel I would have again. Though, to be honest, I'd probably pick up only like maybe 1 brick at a time instead of the 5 bricks that I did pick it up in. But that was, in my defense, that was the only way they were selling it. They only had the 5 brick pack. I would have bought a single brick, but whew. Yeah, definitely space these out when I'm doing this. That having been said, it is tasty until the spicy kind of kills your taste buds. And it's got some nice chewy noodles. The noodles are not only thicker, but it feels like even before I added them to the boiling water, they looked like they were a bit airier. So they were not just thick, but they were also porous. Like say a cheese puff. Like a cheese puff compared to a Cheeto. If one were to put the two side to side, you can see that the cheese puff definitely looks like it's got more air bubbles in it. And this is certainly the opinion I have. It certainly does remind me of that comparison. I would say give this a shot if you're okay with spicy, but if you're okay with pretty spicy stuff. But again, thankfully, it indicates that it's spicy. It's right there underneath the Buldak name. So yeah, give it a shot. Until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.